Okay. I don't recommend that you guys ever try to do a Walmart bag. They just do not hold up. These are my potatoes. And it was just an experiment. So, you know what? Let's open up one of the bags and see if we got anything from the potatoes. Um,
Yeah.
well, that one is still, let's see what happens here. How about the one right in front of you? Yeah, I mean, you can't move it because they're disintegrating. Let's see what is inside. If anything grew at all. We know never to use Walmart bags again.
Well, plus, you don't try moving them, you leave them where they are.
So, easily, instead of lift, oh, okay, where are you going? Oh, you're going, oh, great, okay. So let's see what we got. Even though we still have a live one there, but the rest of them all died back.
You want me to bother give it like that?
Well, what you're going to do is open it from the bottom and just let's sort through the dirt and see if we got any kind of potatoes at all.
You want me to go off the side or
Wherever your heart desires, as long as you open it. I mean, I would just so let's see what we got. Anything? Experiment failure or what? One potato? Okay. One potato. All right. Yeah. Well, we had no choice. We had to sacrifice these bags. Another potato. Small. Well, keep them together, babe.
they go forward?
Yes. Well, if that was in a stable bag, maybe just dump it and get rid of the bag and let's see if there's anything in there. I think they think they're peas. Yo, that was 1,000-legger. We're getting, I see teeny tiny ones. Well, you know what? If the bag didn't disintegrate, I would think that by the end of beginning of fall, we would have had a decent.
I agree.
I mean, because we're having little niblets.
Like 90 of them. Oh,
Yeah. So we have to call this bag experiment a failure. What do you think?
I agree.
You think you went all the way to the bottom? Hopefully the tote will produce more. Just lift the bag up and see what's going on. And yeah, nice soil though. We grew some nice soil. Let me see. Let me see our bounty for the first bag. You want to put it together? Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, let's do another bag. The heck with it. I mean, the bags are falling apart anyway, no? Or should we just leave them? What does everybody think? These bags are literally falling apart. I don't know if it's worth it. What do you think? Executive decision here. Go for another bad bag? Okay. Let's try one more bag. Because we need the soil anyway. All right, we're playing devil's advocate here. Here's the second bag. We're just going to see what's in it. Oh, do I see taters? I see some taters. All right.
That probably would have turned out to be pretty funny.
Huh?
I said they probably would have turned out to be pretty big.
So maybe we should leave the other bags.
What are you gonna do with it?
Well, that could be a nice little addition to a soup or something.
Huh, 3 little ones. Now, what are you, Trevor?
Roly poly. You gotta go back the other way. You got a whole pile underneath your belly.
That was better on you.
Yeah, those bags. Well, at least we know now not to use those bags no more. But I think that, like you said, if we would have had decent bags, we would have had some nice potatoes. So it's not a complete disaster. It was just a learning experience. So here's our potatoes that are in the tote, which are still going strong. A bag which is totally destroyed, but you know what? Let's see what happens with it. And my chocolate mint. The rest of the bags. My amaranth is totally out of control. Can't wait. Can't wait. Let's see. Can't wait for the seeds to come. And the green bean patch, which see a lot of little flowers. This is my squash. My squash really didn't do that much so far. My peppers. Peppers are doing okay. My ground cherries. They're doing good. It's hard just when you have to do them in a pot. So, two empty, which are going to be filled. More ground cherries, which are coming along pretty good. See? Little ground cherries. Zucchinis, different squashes. Watermelon. These are all going to have to be arched up, which we're working on now. Cucumbers. And there's one here that actually died on the plant, which I need to get that off so it doesn't attract bugs. That's a zucchini, a gray zucchini. And like I said, I'll show you what we got here. We have some, beans that are going to be ready to be picked. Yeah, they're coming out nice. Very densely planted. I planted them way, way dense. Yeah, I'm going to have to get in there. I see all the beans. These are my sunflowers that are coming up. Everything seems to be on a slow track for growing. My sweet 100s, which is taking off like crazy. I have some nice ones that are going to be picked. My moringa, which these have overtaken my garden. The weeds grew better than the plants did. More moringa. This is all weeds. We have been out here weeding. There's my pepper plants, the tomatoes. Eggplant is still, it gave me some flowers, but it just seems like everything is very slow this year. The weeds aren't, but everything else is. And I can't really get out here like I want to. Even my berry plant is not even producing anything. And down in here, the brassicas, I just weeded this too. I have one little cabbage. And I'm letting this broccoli go to seed so I can have seed. And here's more. I'm waiting for them to turn brown so I could take the seeds out of it. What else we got here? Broccoli's doing good over there. I have some cabbage down in here. It hasn't even really Everything's backwards this year. It's so odd. I don't know if anybody's having that kind of trouble, but I know I'm not having a good year this year. My Brussels sprouts are doing fairly well, although I don't see no little Brussels sprouts on them. I don't want to disturb them too much. Oh yeah, they're little tiny nubs. I see them coming out. Maybe I'm just impatient. And let's see what else we got over here. Again, with the weeds, I just weeded this. It totally took over my onion garden. It's so hard this year. These are all going to have to be replanted. My carrots, again, like I said, the weeds have been crazy. My watermelon, I had to pick up and move until we get the arbor, which we're going to be working on next. The fruit trees are doing okay. Got me a little pear. Finally, one little pear. And what else? No apples yet. This is another pear plant. She's not ready to be having fruit. And this one right here is apple. It takes several years for them to really start producing. My plum tomatoes are coming along. Ouch. I have a lot coming through, if you could see. Here's my eggplant, which it don't look like it's thriving. I just don't get it. And we don't have the bees here this year. I haven't really seen any bees. And this is my one big boy tomatoes, which, as you can tell, the big boys are little boys right now. But the weather's not so bad, so I'm going to try to salvage what I can and replant what I can. We still have the fall. I said I wasn't going to do a full planting, but it looks like I have no choice. I have to. As far as peas and this bed, I'm going to clean out and get some root plants in here, beets and so on and so forth, and let's see what happens. So it's not much to talk about. It was a bad year this year so far, but who knows? Let's see. We will see. All right. What do you think? Later?
Yep.
Later. I'm out of here.